Chicken plus vegetable roll. One and a half kg chicken. Squeeze 2 lemon. 5 tablespoon yogurt. 1 tablespoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon dry coriander powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it. Rest for 30 minutes. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Cook until ready. Shred the chicken. Dividing into sections. 1 capsicum, 1 carrot, 1 cup cabbage. Mix with water. Frying. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.